Hey, how you doing? It's Jared with Wide Open Camera. For this quick take video, I got 3 brand new lenses from Digital Bolex. These guys are made by Kish. We're going to show you some of the features right now. All right, so check it out. You got 3 lenses. You got a 10mm, an 18mm, and a 38mm. They're all around fixed aperture of an f4, and they do have a fixed focus. They've got a 40.5mm front, so filters will be easy to find, and they're going to cost you around $300 each. These guys will be available in a few months, so check it out. Got the Digital Bolex lenses from Kish Optics, and they're going to cost you around $300 each.